Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix ChatGPT lagging and slow responses. Alright, let's begin. If your ChatGPT is lagging or giving slow responses, here are two fixes. First, long chats slow down ChatGPT because it processes all chat history when answering. To fix this, ask ChatGPT to summarize the chat and start a new one with that summary. This reduces the data it needs to process and makes responses faster. For instance, you can type, "This chat is getting too long and slow. Can you summarize everything so I can paste it into a new chat?" Then use that summary in a fresh chat. Second, slow or unstable connections make ChatGPT respond slower because it needs time to process history online. Using faster internet can help improve performance. So that's basically how you can fix ChatGPT lagging and slow responses. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.